to do a review on this little Kate Spade card case. I picked this up from TJMAXX. It was, I want to say, oh, it was $19.99. $19.99 at TJMAXX. And it retails for $59. And it is called the Small Zip Card Holder, the Janine in Patrol Blue. So there it is. And I have been wanting a Kate Spade card holder. And I end up picking this one up. So here it is. You have an opening right here. And then you're going to have the zip opening here. And then here's a little Kate Spade booklet. And then on the back side, you're going to have two more openings there. Take that out. And y'all, if y'all make sure y'all check out TJMAXX, because they be having really good deals on their card cases and wallets and stuff like that. You can find like really good deals in there. And they actually had another one that I wanted, and I waited too late and I wasn't able to get it. It was already gone. So anyway, so I just picked this one up, and for 20 bucks you can't beat that. So this is like a navy blue. And let's see, you can put a couple of dollars in there. And you can put, you should be able to double up on the card thingy. So you can put a card there. And then put that there. It's a little Kroger thingy. And you can also use it to put, like, you know, IDs or something like that in there also. And so that's doubled on that side. And then I probably can put like another thingy there. So that, and this will be cute to go to put inside of like a little small crossbody or something like that. It didn't have, this one didn't have like a little, you know, some of them have that little clip, the little key ring thing. This one right here didn't have that. So there's that. Let me see. And you can get a card. You can put a card in the inside of there. Here's a little AutoZone card. So you can also put a couple of more cards in here. And then zip it up still. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for 20 bucks at TJMAXX. And they had, I want to say they had like another style, but I didn't get that. I just picked this one right here up. And like I said, it does retail for $60, and they had it for $19.99. So I thought that was really cute. And I had just saw one of these on Poshmark, and I had it in my cart because I was gonna get it, and I went in there and I saw that. I was like, ooh. So it's cheaper. It was cheaper to get it at TJMAXX, considering, you know, with Poshmark and stuff, you have to pay for the, you know, you have your taxes, then the shipping, and that shipping is like $7.11 now. So it would have been a little bit more. So I was happy that I was able to find it in my local TJMAXX. So I just want to show you guys this. And like I said, this is the small zip card holder, the Janine. And I got this from TJMAXX. So if you guys have any questions, just to let me know. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.